With this setup, a person can be found in an area that you're trying to protect. In this case, I'm monitoring for this entrance to my pool. If my kids appear here, it alerts. With the solar panel present, it's able to continue to charge. The indicator allows me to see what level of confidence it has, and the buzzer allows quick alert of an area that they should not be in. This is my enclosure setup for my Seed Vision Sensor version 2. And in addition to that, I have a LiPo rider, a Seed LCD bar, or LED bar rather, a solar panel from the Seed store there. Taking the circuit out of the box to make it a little easier for you to see how it works. First, we have, of course, a lithium-ion battery, a solar panel, and they're set up to work with this LiPo Rider Pro from Seed Studio. And LiPo Rider Pro gives 5 volts out, allowing you to connect a Xiao, and I'm using this 90-degree connector here. And it's as if it were connected to a normal USB outlet. So I'm getting 5 volts on the VUSB, which I'm then using on my put-together level shifter here for an inline level shift to give 5 volts to the Groove Vision AI sensor. And if you'd like to see more information about how to put together one of these little inline level shifters, I've included a guide on my website. But in terms of the other elements, we have this LED bar connected to pins 1 and 2 and a buzzer connected to pin 0. And they're just connected here on this Grove extension board up at the 90-degree angle. It makes for a pretty compact but workable solution when you need 5 volts. Hi there, I'm going to quickly go through the steps now to get Telegram set up for this. As you can see from the Seed wiki page, you can find out how to deploy the Groove Vision AI V2 device such that it can contact you via Telegram through this. So first, I'll go through it very high level, and then I'll show the steps that were involved. I had to contact Father to create a new bot. You name it, you give it a user ID. After that, you get back the token from the bot Father, which you then use to get back your chat ID. With the chat ID present, you can start sending it requests using a post command to the send message endpoint, which in turn causes it to appear in the chat. So that's pretty much all there is to sending a message via Telegram, which is very easy and a lot easier to set up than sending text messages nowadays with all of the different regulations around it. So let's go into that side of things. So here, as you can see, I'm in Telegram now. Once I did the start command, I was given a list of commands back. I created the new bot. I named it Pool Alert, or Alerter rather. I tried to give it the username Pool Alert Bot, but that was already taken. So I called it Pool Presence Bot, which was open. It gave me back this API key that when I hit the associated update page, I'm given a chat ID back that I can use. Now, the first time I did this, I wasn't actually seeing the chat ID or anything here, just an OK result with nothing in it. I had to actually add the pool alerter here to a group with myself in order for the chat ID to appear. But once the chat ID appeared, I was able to test it and use it properly. And as you can see here, I got tons of messages back about it. But if you'd like to see how it works, as you can see here with this test message, you can send messages using curl by just sending it to the chat ID here, or sending it to the bot send message endpoint with the chat ID and some text. And in this way, it updates it immediately. So all your Arduino code is doing is connecting to this endpoint, and then from there, Telegram takes over and handles the rest of the routing. Yeah, and that's pretty much all there is to the Telegram component of it. It's just a simple way to see messages appear. Hi there, so now I'm going to go through the process of getting the Seed Studio Vision AI sensor V2 to have the person detection instead of my face detection, which I have it on at the moment. So it's pretty simple, and you have a couple options here, and you can look through the different options to see what are involved. So this is using a Swift YOLO, and then we have YOLO V5 and YOLO V8, and you can see the MAP percentage there is best with these two options. So I think I'm going to go with this top one here. And now it's beginning this process, and you see my the camera actually stopped inferencing while it's flashing. I'll speed up the video so you can see the whole flashing process. Oh yeah, so with that set, you can now inference, and this is a high level of accuracy I found with this person detection model here, the Swift YOLO Nano Power by SSCMA one. So I'm happy with this. It does a good job detecting people. You can adjust the confidence in IOU here to test out different factors. I'm showing about 94, so I'd have to be up here at like 95 for it to not show me up as a person. But yeah, it works rather well, and I'm going to use it going forward.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to see more content.